Hari Om. Om Chinmaya Sadguruve Namaha. World class performance is less about your genetics and more about your habits. Habits. A settled or regular tendency or practice, something that you do often and regularly, sometimes without knowing that you are doing it. We all know there are good and bad habits. Categorically, one realizes what could be good or bad habits. Can we cultivate good habits? Yes, we can. As humans, we are made up of matter and spirit. Spirit is the consciousness that gives rise to matter. Our matter is comprised of three types of equipment: body, mind, intellect. And we all know that if we balance the matter and spirit, we are a conscious, more aware, and enlightened being. So, today, very briefly, we will discuss how to cultivate healthy habits. First of all, our body. You can perform your duties well with a strong and fit body. And in order to do so, we need to cultivate some healthy habits. Balanced diet. Sattvic ahar and comprising of essential micronutrients are very essential for maintaining a good and healthy body. Secondly, drinking water up to 3 to 4 liters per day. Proper sleep, 7 to 8 hours, is essential. Next, exercise or any kind of physical activity. Any physical activity like playing games or walking, jogging, dancing, whichever you like to enjoy, you should incorporate in your daily life. Next, you should refrain or restrict from consumption of junk food, which are high in calories, fat, and sugar, and our body finds it very difficult to digest. Next, sunshine. Few minutes of sun is very essential for maintaining the vitamin D in your body. Last but not least, help with the chores in the house. Essentially, when you help your mother or your father by doing the housework, you are also developing an essential life skills. Next up is our mind. Mind is the manifestations of thought, perceptions, emotion, determination, memory, and imagination. For developing a healthy mind, we need to incorporate certain habits. As we had discussed earlier, while we were discussing about body, sleep is a very important part for maintaining a healthy body, but it is also essential for maintaining a healthy mind. Second, meditation or pranayam. Our ancient sages have developed methods of increasing the concentration power and our focus. Meditation for essentially 10 minutes minimum per day will help you to do so. Next up, learn something new or challenge yourself to do something new. Next up is intellect. Intellect gives direction to the mind. It is the decision making zone, the rational maker, and also life skills manager. Cultivating an art form such as painting, music, dance, literature, anything can definitely sharpen your intellect. Holding intelligent conversation. Holding intelligent conversation with people whom you think are intelligent enough or are knowledgeable. It's very important to cultivate such a habit. Reading books on varied topics. Books from various subjects you can read to develop your knowledge as well as your intellect. Invest your online time to watch and learn new topics. Children, while you are online, we often divert ourselves in watching something fun. But instead, if you also incorporate that period by watching certain general awareness, general knowledge, and current affairs, it becomes very essential that you are also increasing your present knowledge. Learning a new language, going through Atlas or Google Map, playing brain power games like Sudoku, puzzles, crossword, chess, etc. Last but not the least, our spirit and Atma. Nobody can say that how a spirit looks like, but everybody understands that it exists. How to increase your spiritual strength? Let us understand. Every time, show your gratitude to someone who has done something for you. Being thankful or showing your gratitude to even a leaf of a tree, a flower who is blossoming and its beauty is so beautiful, you are developing your spiritual strength. Daily prayers. Daily prayers are very essential, and if you cultivate this habit, this is going to bring a very good discipline into your life. Chanting your favorite mantra, listening to spiritual talks by spiritual gurus, reading books on motivation, incorporating some amount of yoga, investing in community service. Essentially, you don't require to be charitable by just giving certain amount of money. Your service, your efforts physically are very, very important. Maintaining a journal and being accountable to whomever you are related to will definitely increase your spiritual aspect. Last but not the least, asking for forgiveness and forgiving others. Children, learn something new. Challenge yourself every time by doing some difficult task or a very difficult math problem, verbal reasoning, a new language maybe. Cut off online time or go offline. Children, this habit is very much essential, and once you do it, you will realize that you can definitely incorporate some more physical time in your whole day. For that, it is essential that you need to fix a time where you are not going to touch any type of gadgets or mobile. Next is very important, be mindful. While doing certain tasks, when you concentrate or you are being mindful, you learn those in a very good way and you develop a strong affiliation to it. Adopting a early morning routine is very, very important. Incorporate positive thoughts. Building a strong purpose or target. Without target, nobody can achieve anything, children. So, building up a purpose with time is very, very essential. Children, in order to turn these activities into habits, it takes about 21 days. But to shed a bad habit and cultivate a new habit, it takes about 66 days. If one is persistent, eager, resilient, and determined, one can definitely cultivate healthy habits. Last but not least, stay safe, stay healthy, and be thankful. Hari Om. Thank you.